Okay, you guys, so I'm going to send you. Okay, so I'm going to go out of this screen here and go back to like shopping different gift cards. So if you do like Lululemon gives back a certain amount. I'm going to close that out. And so if I go back here, you can see all the different brands, okay? So all the different things you can do. So if you go in here, Home Hardware right now is 4% back on gift cards. Sobeys is 1%. Loblaws is 1%. So Home Hardware is 4%. If you go into and search here, Swiss Chalet, the Ultimate Dining Card, I think it's called, 7% back on gift cards. So if you go to Swiss Chalet, it's 7%. I find the gift cards the best. Boston Pizza, 6%. So there's different things you can search in there, and then once you go to your wallet, and it'll show you all the gift cards that you've purchased, okay? If you purchase, some of them aren't gift cards. So if you purchase certain things like Canadian Tire, let's just look here for Canadian Tire. Oh, let's do Lululemon, just because. So 4% online. So you purchase, what'll happen is you go through the app here, you click shop online, it takes you directly to the store, and it looks just like you shop now. It looks just like you would if you were to go on Lululemon. So if you're purchasing something there, it just takes 2 weeks for the money to go into your Flipgive account, and then just because for return purposes, okay? So they hold the money for 2 weeks, but you'll see it in yours, but we can't withdraw. So the whole point is, I'm at my cottage, so it's probably slow here. The whole point of this is that by the end of May next year, you can have a lump sum money into your Flipgive account, okay? And so, right now, I have in my son's account for his hockey $100, $120, I believe, I think, something like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and you shop like you normally would, and the money goes back to you, okay? So if I go funds here, there's no funds for this trip yet because we haven't done any. But if I switch teams, I'll just show you quickly. If I switch teams and go to my son's hockey team, I'll show you here. So his hockey team right here, you can see how much money he has raised in this hockey team. So you go funds, this is what the whole team, $387.24 in just a month, and there's only a couple of us that were doing it. Okay, so I have here $71.28. And so I signed myself up, my husband up, so his first purchase at SO, you get $5, and then your whatever the cash back is. So every person you sign up under your child, they will get $5 the first time they shop if they do it within the first 2 weeks. So if they're not going to shop right away, don't get them to sign up right away. Okay? So there you go. That's how Flipgive works.